Welcome to the unboxing of the new Yeti Nano Blue. Let's get in here. This is going to be a very serious unboxing. That's actually impossible for me to do, to be quite honest with you. There, that's good. Let's open this up. Yeah, take a look at that. Yeti Nano Blue. Comes with a little plastic on the outside. Let's get rid of that box. Let's do a little da-da-da-da-da-da-da. And Yeti Nano. It's really pretty sexy. Wow. Okay, so we're going to open it. Does it have a little plastic seal up here? Because sometimes they do. This one doesn't. We're opening the top. Lovely. We lift here. We're going to open this. Oh, looks like there's a box in a box. Wow, very nice. Let's put this here for a second. Let's take a look at this text here. Your message loud and clear. Votre message faut être clair. I don't know what language that is. I just guessed. Yeti Nano is a premium USB microphone designed for broadcast quality podcasting, YouTube content, game streaming, Skype, calls, and voiceover work. Inspired by the #1 selling Blue Yeti microphone, Yeti Nano features streaming on PC/Mac. The premium finish looks great on camera and on any desktop, featuring a non-latency headphone output and controls for headphone volume, mic, mute, and pickup pattern. Yeti Nano is the perfect mic for modern broadcasters. Excellent. Over here, blue, it's showing patterns. Very nice here. Here, Yeti Nano, how to enunciate and say it. That's very cute. Yeti Nano, but it says #1. I'll read it. A smaller species of the legendary ape-like creature, Yeti Nano can be found roaming the foothills of the Himalayas. See Abominable Snowman Extended Family. An incredibly versatile USB mic for recording and streaming on the desktop or in the wild. Oh, and look down there. There's like all these little Yeti Nano dudes. Just kind of cool. Good, good. Perfect for podcasting, game streaming, plug and play, Mac and PC compatible, no latency headphone output, supports sample rates, cardioid, omni pickup patterns, standard threading for optional radius 3 shock mount. Okay, and that takes care of pretty much all the text on the box. So we'll move that over. Let's go to the actual box itself. We're gonna, it opens inside. Oh, there it is, the plastic seal item that I tend to see, that little sticker. We're going to cut right through that very carefully. Then we're going to open the top. Inside is the Blue Yeti manual, and we have basically all the directions and multiple languages, which is pretty awesome. Then we have a card, and this says, let's see if I can get that in focus. I don't think so. It's about the best I can do right about there. Sherpa. Get the most out of your Yeti Nano with the Blue Sherpa companion app. So this is for the app. Features include the latest firmware updates downloaded directly to your Yeti Nano, customize your mic settings from gain to polar patterns, and more to come. Then on the other side, some other language information. Then over here, save 20% when you register. Register today and get a discount on our web store, bluedesigns.com/register. Register your product. Do it. Now over here, there's some black foam. We're going to lift that up. And there it is. The power of the Yeti Nano. Oh, let's look here. Oh, here's a stand adapter. Exactly. Ta-da. I see a cable over here. Nice cable. We'll put that to the side. Some desiccant, some silica. Keep the humidity in check. And then let's pull this whole thing. Oh, there we go. Wow, look at this. Wow, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Ooh, there's the microphone. Yeti Blue Nano. Okay, I'm just going to tighten up the sides a little bit so it doesn't swing around as much. We want to get that nice and solid. Good, that's a lot better. There's a volume button on the front here, which also allows some type of button control. And then on the back we have a pattern button option. So we can do a cardioid or we can do a full surround. Then underneath we have a connection here so you can go to a mic stand and micro USB and a headphone. Awesome. The Blue Yeti. Let me see if I can see if we can just put it on its own there for a second. Have it just look up like a little R2 unit. The Blue Yeti Nano by Blue. There it is. The Blue Yeti Nano. The Yeti Nano by Blue. The Yeti Nano by Blue.